We often speak with parents who are really conflicted around how they want to benefit a child. And so the options kind of run the gamut as to what we can do in that instance. And so on one end of the spectrum is complete disinheritance. And that's very aggressive. It's very complete. It's basically saying you're no longer included in my wealth transfer strategy. On the other end of the spectrum is giving them a share that they otherwise would get. Maybe it's an equal share of whatever you stand to leave behind, but creating very specific rules and restrictions around how that share is received. And so in the middle, we obviously can reduce someone's share. We can give it to somebody else. Instead of disinheriting that person, we can appoint other beneficiaries. Sometimes we do what's called subtraction by addition. By giving everything to certain people, we're giving nothing to others. And so instead of being so bold as to say, I specifically disinherit my child, you could just appoint other beneficiaries to receive it instead. And the practical effect, the legal effect is the same. We're just not being that bold in the statement of disinheritance. Another would be that let's talk about what the purpose of the disinheritance would be. Do we actually not want them to receive anything, or do we want to control the way that they do receive it, or maybe receive a smaller share than what their siblings or other beneficiaries may get? That's more in structuring and rules, right? It's reducing the amount or structuring it to be held for their benefit so that maybe a trustee is giving support payments or paying bills directly instead of risking somebody receiving money outright. We often see this in instances of drug addiction, mental health, or disability concerns.